Welcome to this B1 Printer Delivery e-learning session on the base configuration of B1 Printer Delivery. Not to be confused with report configuration, which is the main topic of printer delivery. Base configuration is just some simple defaults and small things. Most people don't use it, but for completeness sake, we have a video here where we go through the session. So let's do that in Business One. So here we are in Business One, and to get to the base configuration, you go to Administration, Add-ons, B1 Usability Package, Module Configuration, B1 Printer Delivery, and it's the one called Configuration. Again, Report Configuration is where you do all the customization, while this is just some simple settings. Let's go through the settings. So first up, you have if you want to use delivery log or not. Delivery log is an audit system on who did what when, who printed this, what configuration was used, what happened, and so on. Highly recommended that's on, but if you end up for some reason not wanting to store that data, it takes a little performance, you can get rid of it. In the same manner, you can get rid of the error log. If something goes wrong, it will be logged in that error log, but you can turn it off. Then there is an account balance preview is default. That is for the account balance system, separate e-learning on that. And if this preview before execution should be the default. So if I turn this on and press here, it's just default. Nothing fancy there. In the same manner for account balance, what is the default type of action? You can see it's email here, but you can go in and change it to something else if you want to. The same manner, if we look at the system here, what is the sorting order of this? In our case, it's balance descending, so you can see that the highest number is at top and the lowest, but you can go in and set it ascending by card code, by card name, what you see fit. Mass delivery action default is when we look at mass delivery. What should be the default when you choose something? In this case, it's email, but it could be one of the others. What is the default in the Dunning wizard, which we have here? Again, every single one of these features, if you're unfamiliar with it, there is a separate e-learning. But at the end of the wizard here, there will be a setting. I can quickly try to get to it. Here, and that is just what is the default you want to do. Then we have the shared folder. That is where do you want to store your crystal reports. It normally takes it from the attachment folder, but once you have run the wizard for the first time, let's quickly see the wizards. It remembers what you chose here, should you run the wizard again. So that's only the default of that. And then we have some checkboxes here, meaning that do you want to have a mass delivery under banking, under service? So mass delivery is our batch delivery system, and under various systems you can have the mass delivery. If you don't want them in a certain area, you can do that, and you can see it's gone. It is especially good if you go up here, for example, turn the entire service module off. If you just run B1 Delivery, the service module will come back because there would be a menu item there, and you wouldn't be able to hide the system here. So this is just a simple way of saying, okay, I don't want them in those areas, so don't bother with creating them at all. And that is everything in the base configuration. Nothing fancy, not very much people need to go here, but it is nice to choose the defaults should your users every time change something to another thing. So with that, thank you for attending. Have a nice day.